Yo, what's up, guys? So I'm trying my new Google device, but yeah, that fire alarm guys say these things are fake, but guess what? I got new ones. I got a Edwards Genesis and a Edwards Arcade PlayStation that apparently didn't come with keys. So yeah, first we gotta activate the rip-off version or knockoff. So yeah, then we reset it with the key. Ooh, got a new message. And yeah, and now we can finally try the new one. So this will be loud. That was loud. And I made a key for it. So yeah. Oh god. Oh no. I'm scared I'll damage this thing and I'll like never open again. So yeah. Perfect. Shout out to Fire Alarm Dude 64.